my channel. Okay, I have days 21 through 25 to share with you. I know I mentioned that I wasn't going to be doing it past day 25, but I'm sort of forced to. Only because if you recall from my last video, COVID has hit my sister-in-law's family and we all can't get together for Christmas. So we are postponing the kiddos' gifts till January 3rd is when we all can get together again, because we all are off the same day. This is what this year is about. Pandemic. This time it hit close to our family. We were supposed to get together and it's just postponed, and we have to be okay with that. We have to. Everyone's gonna get through it. There's some of them are having symptoms, some of them are not. We're gonna get through it. I am positive. We are just staying positive. They're gonna get through it. Christmas is just postponed. It's okay. The kids are gonna love it. Santa Claus came back, you know? Or Santa came on Christmas Eve, but you just couldn't come over because they've been quarantining for a long time to make sure that they don't get the rest of us with the virus. So it is what it is. They are gonna be fine. They're on my mind all the time. So Christmas just looks a little different. It was just my in-laws and my parents were still negative on our tests, so we got together at one house. It was the only activity for one meal. It was the only thing, and we went home. And that was it. So for day 21, I was my product play class from Allie Edwards. So it was supposed to be like a hinge door, but I just decided to secure it and make it more of a pocket. This is still Allie Edwards, and so is this. I just glitter embossed it. And this was just a story of me going to work. I go to work on Monday and Wednesdays when I have childcare. So I got dressed up for work, and and I didn't do the journaling. It was that winter solstice stuff too, where Saturn and Jupiter lined up. I forgot, but I'll write something about it because that happened on the 21st. I did all of our marketing for our clinic, so I went around in my fancy little blazer right there, and my journaling's in a card to all of our partners and people that we refer to. So that was the day that I just went doing marketing. 23, okay, so that's all. Remember last video, I was trying to cut down on the bulk. Y'all, my album is uber bulky, and oh my God, you should see this thing closed. It's thick. I don't want to go into 2 albums, but I may have to graduate to 2 albums, but I don't want to. Anyways, so this was again my attempt for 22, like just keep it simple. There's not even journaling. This was just wrapping day 22. This was the gift wrap scraps, so I did little swatches of each of them. Maui in his Christmas sweater and all of Valentina's gifts are under the tree already ready to go. So that was day 22. Day 23, I did use the little card that I had put on acetate, so I'm just missing journaling right there. But it was just our office, office Secret Santa. It's our last day that we were open before Christmas. Valentina getting adjusted by Miguel. Here's our whole staff. You know, we're all wearing our mask. And we did a great Christmas exchange. Love my staff to death. They do great work and they are wonderful to work along. And yeah, so we did a Santa exchange, and on my wish list was I'm so excited, the new A Promised Land by Barack Obama, and I did get it. So I'm super excited to start reading that. So then on Christmas Eve, since we couldn't be with the rest of the family, we had went to the zoo and just had a family day. So we went to the zoo and out to lunch, and it was just us. So I embossed the chipboard from Allie Edwards. This is a star from Allie Edwards. And then I used the waterfall page that you did see me in my foundation pages. So we went on the carousel. She's riding the tiger. So in this album, is there 3 days at the zoo or is there 2? We have annual passes and it's literally like 7 minutes away. And so I want to put my journaling there, and then there we are at the beach. We went for lunch. So it's cute pictures. Valentina had a ball. She loves having her daddy all day long. And then day 25, so here's Christmas with Santa Claus. You saw me make this on my foundation pages with the flip sequins. I just added elements of chipboard from Allie Edwards. And this was us after she opened up all her gifts. She was spoiled and loved dearly. Then we went to dinner at my parents' house. They recently moved close by, so we all wore white except for Toots. She was in a little red dress that we had bought her. Here's another flip out. So here's Valentina laying amongst all the wrapping paper. her with Daddy and her new like rainbow Mickey Mouse. And then this is a card from Allie Edwards and a little fabric circle from Allie Edwards. And then it's just a flip out of us at my mom's house. We all wore white. Just simple and us. And then when you turn it, actually the one thing I want to put here, it was a funny picture of us on the tree, me and Miguel. And then that was my post picture on our business website, business Facebook group actually. Was I want to write like either, because what was it, Allie Edwards put out like peace out 2020 or like goodbye, and I feel like I want to do that too, so I might cut something out of my silhouette and just say peace out 2020. It's been fun. So the only thing I feel like I'm gonna have here still is probably, I didn't use this little half page pull out, so I might just keep this in here in fact, and then when we redo Christmas with the family on January 3rd, I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures of that day with the kids opening up their gifts. We'll probably finish out the story as Christmas, and maybe I'll like stamp date them like January 3rd, and then you'll understand. Then when we flip through this 5 years from now, we'll understand what had happened. So yeah, so I actually might do the entire flip through right now, so I still won't have those photos, but you understand what will happen, because I don't want to wait till after January 3rd. I kind of want to put this on the shelf and be done with it, and possibly move on to One Little Word as well. So look at this, y'all. Oh, it's super chunky. Oh my god, like this, like that is open. That's a thick one. So either A, your girl needs to cut down on the chunk and the bulk next year to stay in one album, or I may have just graduated myself to the 2 album a year club. What do you think? Oh my goodness. That's a big one. All right, everyone. I hope you had a happy holiday season. I hope you've completed your album as well, because that's also a rule of mine. This needs to be done in December. I can't have it linger. I won't ever come back to it. It's just I know myself. So there's December Daily 2020. See you later.